Now that you have watched the other parts of the video, and you are familiar with tissue helminths and diseases caused by them, we are going to discuss the fourth and last type of tissue helminths disease, which is Onchocerciasis. Onchocerca volvulus causes Onchocerciasis. Humans are infected when the female blackfly, Simulium, deposits infective larvae while biting. The larvae enter the wound and migrate into the subcutaneous tissue, where they differentiate into adults, usually within dermal nodules. The female produces microfilariae that are ingested when another blackfly bites. The microfilariae develop into infective larvae in the fly to complete the cycle. Humans are the only definitive hosts. Now, the question arises that what can be the typical sign and symptoms of disease caused by Onchocerca? Well, the inflammation occurs in subcutaneous tissue, and pruritic papules and nodules form in response to the adult worm proteins. Microfilariae can migrate through subcutaneous tissue, ultimately concentrating in the eyes. There they cause lesions that can lead to blindness. Loss of subcutaneous elastic fibers leads to wrinkled skin, which is called hanging groin. Thickening, scaling, and dryness of the skin accompanied by severe itching are the manifestations of a dermatitis often called lizard skin. The epidemiological data shows millions of people are affected worldwide. The disease is a major cause of blindness. It is called river blindness because the blackflies develop in rivers and people who live along those rivers are affected. Infection rates are often greater than 80% in areas of endemic infection. The diagnostic criteria consists of some important examinations, like biopsy of the affected skin reveals microfilariae. Examination of the blood for microfilariae is not useful because they do not circulate in the blood. Eosinophilia is common, but note here that serologic tests are not much helpful. After discussing the diagnostic criteria, take a look at the treatment of the disease caused by Onchocerca specie. Ivermectin is effective against microfilariae, but not adults. Ceramin kills adult worms, but is quite toxic and is used particularly in those with eye disease. Skin nodules can be removed surgically, but new nodules can develop. Therefore, a surgical cure is unlikely in areas of endemic infection. Now, to prevent the disease from occurring, precautionary measures should be taken, which in fact involves control of the blackfly with insecticides. Ivermectin also prevents the disease. So, that was all about tissue helminths and diseases caused by them. For more videos of microbiology, keep watching sqadia.com.